guys, it's your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Keela's Marketing, where I review top IT and cloud-based products. I also give you tips and tricks on how to make money online. So if you're interested in making money online, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. Me and you, yes baby, we are on the road to success. So today I am reviewing this product called Googlix, which is guaranteed that you get over $39 over and over again, and they're getting you a front row seat to your target leads, bruh. You can type up your target audience and they'll get you right to them when it comes down to them providing their email list. What kind of mess is this? This is so crazy. If you're interested in learning more about Googlix and what it has to offer, make sure you stay until the end because I will be exposing my super duper insane bonuses that help scale your Googlix mission to the max. Let's get into this review. Alright guys, we are on the sales page of Googlix. I'm just going to come over here to get a little brief description about what it has to offer. So first things first, this is the $1.9 trillion Google loophole, alright? And this is active. People are making up to $39 payments over and over again. The person who created this has already made it $175,000 in profit with Googlix. And the people that he had test them, the beta testers, 97% of them have already making money with this tactic, baby. And then this is no hard work. This is not hard work. This is nothing hard. This is not no hard labor, no nothing. All right, this is not staying on your feet for like 9 to 12 hours shit. No, baby, you are getting paid to search on Google. Okay, this is a loophole. And then this is 100% brand new. Nobody ever done this before. This is 100% legal and ethical and 100-day money back guarantee. And plus, if you fail, if this is a big if you fail, you will be getting paid $250. And I say a big if you fail because this training is training inside to help you understand how to use Googlix to its full potential, alright? So if you want to watch this video, you totally can. Just come to my bonus page, baby. Yes, come to my bonus page in which you will be able to click this button down here and watch that video. So we're about to go inside of Googlix. I was going to go over my bonuses, but I'm going to say that for last. All right. So if you're inside the members area of Googlix, everything you need to know is on the top hand right here. So you got the training, you got the search engine, then you got the marketing, and then you have traffic, then you got the analytics, all right? And this your boy right here, and he made all this. He made your dreams come true, getting paid by Google. Like, bruh, I've been using Google for my whole life, and I ain't even know Google paid me, all right? So let's go into the training and see what he has to offer when it comes down to what are you doing in a Googlix. So we have the whole overview right here and what it is about. And then you have the search for elements, and then you have search for offers, search for emails. These are all the things that Googlix can provide for you guys. You can't go outside of Googlix and think you're going to search for these stuff, all right? You can't. And then this is search for money-making pages, analytics, web analytics. Then you have link analytics. They follow your links and how it's doing, where the traffic coming from, how many people clicking on there, and how many people converted from leads to commissions. And then we have ranks and index analytics, and then we have Facebook posting. So you're going to use Facebook to integrate all of this stuff, guys. So right here, this is just the overview, and I'm just gonna play it for you guys real fast so you know what it has to offer. Not the whole thing though, because it's 13 minutes.
Will you believe if I tell you it is possible to get paid every time when we are using Google? You will certainly tell no. Maybe you will not agree with me, but I'm sure you will agree once I will discuss about the $1.9 trillion Google loophole with simple searching that can bring a big advantage for your business. And for that, you don't need any extra skill, no extra experience needed, no waiting to get paid, no extra fees and nothing. Trust me, what you need to do, you just need to follow these 4 simple steps that I am going to discuss you. So here we go. Here we go on Googlix. So before I start, I would like to tell a few about the Googlix. So whenever you open Googlix, you will find this search any keyword list where you can enter any keyword and you can have the leads over here. Put any keyword and get the lead. And here for search element you can search for lead, search for video, search for image. There is marketing tab, then there is traffic, and there is analytics. So without wasting any time, let me discuss about this 4 steps that can bring a big success into your business. So here we go on step number 1, that is find offers. So here we go on marketing tabs. So here you can find search offer. So nowadays, when I am talking about affiliate marketing, the top 3 affiliate network that comes in our mind, that is Zevizu, Varioplus and Clickbank. So whenever I will open Zevizu, I can find the top offers that is available in this time on Zevizu. You can search according to your niche and you can get an ample knowledge about the software, about the product by visiting their sales page, and you can grab the deals. So you don't need to roam here and there on Zevizu and not only on Varioplus or on Clickbank. What you need.
Alright guys, I was only gonna play just a few minutes, a little teaser, but I gotta do my review, you feel me? So guys, that's a little overview. I ain't even gonna go through it all the way. If you wanna watch the whole overview, make sure you come over to my description or in my comments and hit that link to get your own copy of Googlix so you can get this exact training like me. You can get put on like, yeah girl, we about to be making this money right here. As you seen, he went over to search, so we about to go searching. You're gonna search leads actually. You gotta come over here, search leads. And you know, you and me, we over here, we trying to make money online. So what we gonna search? Make money online, yo. Make money online. Oop. I didn't mean to press that. I didn't mean to hit that. You see this, baby? Remember what I told you. They are giving you access to emails, baby, money mails. Baby, that's what I'm talking about. These are freaking leads. These are active leads, bro. And you can download these to your computer so they'll never leave you nor forsake you. Let me stop. But you can download these to your computer. And then you got leads, you got videos, and then you got images. And then you have the marketing. So you got all the, like he already said, you got all the deals on JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and these deals are active, like he showed you, active deals. Like these, like if you ever been on Munchai is the list of recent and upcoming products that are coming out now, and this is what he has already for you. You don't gotta go to tab to tab in search engine to search and then define a good product for you. All right, you got the sales page and you got to grab the deal. All right, all you gotta do is click these links. The what is this? JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and Clickbank is all integrated inside of this system right here. So it's so dope. And you know right here, these are when they are coming out. These are the dates in which they are coming out. All brand new, up and coming products coming out. And then you have the top to the bottom. So like we already went over training, search, and marketing. So in marketing, you got the emails in which you can use. They got campaigns. They got templates for you can use. So that's dope. They literally giving you everything you need for an online business. They even got your landing page, the opt-in page, the thank you. You can even have a webinar page, bro. A webinar page. You know, the webinar platforms, is monthly fees is freaking insane. It's insane. They're putting everything in here for you guys. They're saving you money. Then you have coming soon page. You got check out my page. You got sign up to my page. You got giveaway pages, bruh. They fill marketing tab with mad stuff in there. And then with the traffic, you got Facebook, like you already seen. You got Facebook, Instagram. Guys, if you don't even know, everybody and their mama is on Facebook, bruh. And if you know how to use Facebook accordingly, you're going to start profiting from Facebook. So you got multi-posts on Facebook. You got the CTA posts on Facebook. You got the posting on Instagram. And if you know how to use Instagram properly, it will work for you, because I don't know if y'all know that, but Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube is competing with TikTok. So they are pushing out Reels. So Reels is like 1 minute videos, okay? So they pushing out shorter content so people to stay on their platform. So use your social medias accordingly, okay? And then you have the analytics. You got web analytics. You got link analytics. You got rank and index analytics. You got domain analytics. You got keyword analytics, bruh. And all of this is for you if you want to start making money online. This is the super simple, easy training that I have never seen before. Super dope, super like easy to follow and everything. I'm about to dive right into my bonus page. I'm gonna get rid of some of these pages just for the sakes of it. So guys, let's go right into my bonuses so I will not waste your time. Bonus number 1, it is this how to set up your products on Warrior Plus from your boy Jonah Armstrong, okay? Then we have bonus number 2. This is how to set up your Fiverr gigs correctly, okay? Correctly. And a great way to do it is just mimic a person who's already got like 5 stars and have a lot of people already like suggesting them. To be the great, you have to copy the great. So be the great, you gotta copy the greats, all right? So this is just another step-by-step tutorial training on how to set up a Fiverr gig the correct way. And then you have how to create a landing page for cheap, because people be trying to tax out here when it comes out to them making a landing page. They be trying to get your coin, your money, your monthly subscription. Nah, we good. So this is a training step-by-step tutorial on how to create a landing page for cheap. Then we have bonus number 4, VIP package from your girl. This is 60 different plus softwares, underground techniques. Learn how to create a bigger profit with this proper training by Jonah Armstrong, Brendan Mace, and more of the top vendors in the game right now. We got traffic sources. We learning how to make a buyer's list the easy way, showing how to scale and make bigger profits when it comes down to you just getting a bigger profit when it like selling high ticket items. Everything is in here in this big bundle deal. Everything is in here for you guys. So you can sleep if you want to, but the ones who don't, they're gonna take advantage of this, because it's only a few days when it comes down to you getting access to all of my bonuses when it comes down to being paired up with Googlix. And now we have all the vendor bonuses in which they will have to offer for you guys. If you want to help your girl on any of my social medias, okay, scroll all the way to the bottom of my sales page and connect with me on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. All right, baby. All right. So these are all my bonuses in which you'll be getting for absolutely free from your girl Key if you click that link below and hit up my bonus page and click any of these yellow buttons on my bonus page. Guys, the front end price of Googlix is only $19. If you try to leave the sales page, they will be showing you a $2 off discount, so it'll be $17. If you want to know more about the upsells and downsells for Googlix, you totally can come over to my bonus page. About to say sales page. Come over to my bonus page and read this out for yourself, guys. Googlix is here to help anybody who is trying to get in on this $1.9 trillion loophole that pays people $39 over and over again, baby. So what's up? Are you gonna take a leap of faith or just wait until my timer runs out? This your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're trying to make money online. See you in my next review video.